Hello everyone, welcome back. Thanks for returning. I am Ms.Shelia with Ms.Shelia DIYs. These are the projects that you'll be needing in order to complete the project that you do see before you. Okay, so let's get started. First thing you need to do is glue Tumble blocks together in a set of twos. And I'll be gluing the set of twos in a total of 8 in a row. Using again my faithful wood glue. And here I will also be showing you that I won't show, but I will do it off screen, that I'll be wrapping these columns in gold pearl gem wrap. And you'll be needing 2 sets of the 8s. Here I'm showing you where I did the 2 sets of 8s. Then I did 2 sets of 4s. And then I also added gem wrap, pearl wrap at the end of each one, and this is the set of 2. So you need 2 sets of 8s, 2 sets of 4s, and 2 sets of 2s. And then I've taken my cubes and I painted them silver or gray, and then I wrapped them with pearl silver gem wrap. Here I'm going in the center where you see when I turned it over, I was making sure that I got to the 4th and the 5th right in between the 2 so that I can place my cubes. And I'm gluing those things together with my glue gun. I'm trying to make sure that everything lines up across the center. And for additional reinforcements, I'm adding a cube on the end of each of the corners of the 4 tile. Then I'll be adding the center of the 4, and you'll be seeing where I add the second set of tiles, and that'll be the ones for the 2. Here you see where I'm decorating a little shelf that I'll be gluing on the end of the design. And again, I've also painted it gray, and I am wrapping with silver pearl wrap as well. And I'm also placing a little cube on the outside of the towel that has a 2 on it. So I'll be putting a cube on the outside. And here I'm also placing a towel set in the center of the design. Again, it has also been painted gray and wrapped with silver pearl wrap. And also there will be one at the very top as well. And this will be holding my light. And here I'm adding additional reinforcement by adding craft sticks to the back of the design for additional support. This is the finished design. Now you see why I've added the light, and I decided that I wanted to add a little bit more light to it. So the completed design will consist of 2 lights on each design. Voila, here you go. Again, I would like to say thank you for allowing me to come into your home to show you my DIY projects. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like my videos if you please. Thank you for returning. Have a great day and be safe. Thank you.